Welcome, everyone. Today, I am going to tell you something that could completely change your life. Not just your career, not just your dreams, but your entire mindset. We live in a world where people love to talk. They talk about what they're doing. They talk about what they're planning. They talk about their dreams, their goals, their future. But the more you talk, the less you do. The more you announce, the more you delay. The more you explain, the more they attack. And that is why the most powerful people in the world follow one rule: never share your plan. Not because your plan is wrong, not because your dream is too big, but because sharing it too early can destroy it before it even begins. This video will change your mindset and also improve your English. So watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe. When a farmer plants a seed, he doesn't call the whole village to tell them, "Look, I just planted something. Come see, come give your opinions." No, he covers it with soil. He waters it silently. He waits. He protects it from animals, from storms, from anyone who might harm it. And months later, only after it grows strong, people see the fruit. That's exactly how your plan should be. Because the moment you open your mouth, you open the door to doubt, opinions, jealousy, distraction, judgment, and even emotional pain. You don't need that. You're already carrying a dream. And that's heavy enough. If you want to protect your dream, stay silent. Now, let's begin with the first reason why you should never share your plan. Secret 1. Your plan is weak. When it's still an idea, let me take you to the beginning. The moment a dream is born, it doesn't start big. It doesn't start powerful. It starts as a tiny thought in your mind, a soft whisper inside your heart. Something like, "What if I started a business? What if I transformed my body? What if I learned English fluently and spoke confidently? What if I changed my entire life this year?" It feels exciting, right? It feels alive. But let me tell you something shocking. At that moment, your idea is extremely weak. It's soft. It's small. It's not ready. And when you share it too early, you don't protect it. You expose it. You put that small, beautiful dream in front of people who don't believe in you, don't understand your journey, don't have your vision, don't have your fire, and worst of all, don't care. And suddenly they say things like, "That's impossible. You're not smart enough. Be realistic. Come on, you can't do that. Who do you think you are?" They say those things casually, like they're giving advice. But for you, that's poison. It kills the seed before it even grows roots. You start doubting yourself. You start thinking, "Maybe I was just dreaming. Maybe I'm not ready. Maybe they're right, but they're not right. They just didn't see what you saw. They didn't feel what you felt." Now, listen carefully. Scientists have studied this. That means just talking about your dream gives you the same feeling as if you had already achieved something. You feel the reward without doing the work. You tell your plan. Then you feel good. Then you stop working. Now you're stuck in a cycle of talking instead of a life of execution. You're chasing praise instead of chasing progress. Let's say someone says, "I'm going to wake up at 5 a.m. every day and build my dream life." They post it on Instagram. They tell their friends. They feel proud. But what happens next? The motivation dies in 3 days. They don't wake up at 5 a.m. They don't build anything. And now they feel guilty, embarrassed, and weak. Why?